Hey everybody. I haven't done a tutorial in a while, but I decided I could do one right now for all those new people learning Unity. Because a couple months ago, I was new learning Unity as well. So in this tutorial, I'm teaching you guys how to set up Unity and get ready for your game dev journey. So if this tutorial helped, remember to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. So what you want to do first is go on the Unity website. All you need to do is search up unity.com and it brings up this page. So you want to go, you can search up unity.com and it'll bring up the website, and this is what it should look like. Scroll down, but then you'll click the get start button to really get into control. So don't worry about the business and enterprise stuff. Those are not free, but Unity itself is free. So go into individual. You're a student, you can sign up if you want, but it's better to use personal because if you're doing personal game dev. So now, since you're a first time user, press start here. Agree to the terms and conditions. So, and then download and follow the Unity Hub setup. So, once you've downloaded Unity and you followed the setup tutorial on when it's downloaded, you're not done out of the woods yet. What you want to do to kickstart your coding is to download this app, Visual Studio Code. It has a bunch of languages, including C#, which is the main programming language that Unity uses. So you can see that there are different places that it goes. There's Windows, Linux, and Mac. So that's all. What PC are you using? So I am using a Windows, so I'll go and click Windows. So now it should be downloading on the bottom left of your screen, and that's when you follow the setup tutorial again. So what you want to do is open up Unity. All you need to do is just go in your search bar, Unity. It can be either Unity or Unity Hub. Either is fine because they both open the projects. So you can see all of these. These are all my projects, but you won't have any so far. So I'm just going to name this one Test Project. If it lets me, if my keyboard lets me, test. Oh my god, I can't spell. So I'm going to call this one Test Project because it is the test project. And don't worry about the templates. All you need to worry about is 2D and 3D. And they're pretty self-explanatory. 3D games, 3-dimensional. And then 2D games, 2-dimensional. And those are pretty self-explanatory. Don't worry about the other ones. You'll learn about them later in the future. So I'll create a 3D project. So when you load into Unity, your new project, don't worry if you have an outdated version like me. They're all the same, besides some minor and some major changes, and some really minor changes. But so to connect Visual Studio Code or whatever Visual Studio you got, go into File or Edit, Preferences, and 2D. Well, it says not 2D, but below 2D, Cache Servers, Colors, External Tools. You want external tools. And you can see that I have an external script editor. So normally yours should either be Program CS or OpenBL file extension. What you want to do, I have two of these. Choose it has to be the one you download. So Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio 2019 is the ones I have. I chose Visual Studio 2019. So external script editor, Visual Studio 2019, or anyone you have had. So just close that, and you can pretty much open the script. Well, you can open Visual Studio Code to create your scripts. Here, I'll create a script, C# script, test. This is what it should look like when it's up to scratch. So I'll run you through with
well, I'll run you through what these different terms mean. So don't worry about this. All you need to know is using Unity Engine. It's just using the Unity Engine and stuff inside it. So the void start, well, this basically means start is called before the first frame update, which is, but you know, FPS, the start of the game, it's called before the start of the game. And then update is called once per frame. It's like if you have an update, if you're moving and you want it to move 15 times once per frame, then you have 15 FPS and all that. So yeah, that's all. And public class, this always has to stay the same as the name of the script. Otherwise the script would crash and break. So that's probably where I'm going to leave the tutorial today, guys. So if this helped you a lot, drop a like, subscribe, comment, and if you had some troubles, just comment and I'd help you with it. So bye.